morning, dear children. In previous class, you all had learned about force. In today's class, we will learn about energy. Children, energy is ability or capacity to do work, and it is found in nature and in different forms. Even in stationary objects also have energy. Children, we use different types of energy for doing everyday work, as you can see in this picture. So, let us know about different forms of energy. Different forms of energies are mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy, sound energy, thermal energy, etc. Now we will learn about them one by one. Now let us know about the first form of energy, that is mechanical energy. Children, the energy of an object due to its motion or position is known as mechanical energy. Energy determined by the object's position, or you can say stored energy, is known as potential energy. Here, an apple is waiting to fall is a good example of potential energy. Similarly, a ball at the top of a ramp and a stretched out rubber band has some stored energy due to their position. So, it is known as potential energy. Now children, second type of mechanical energy is kinetic energy. It is due to the motion of an object. If something is moving, it has kinetic energy. The faster an object is moving, the more kinetic energy it has. In this picture, you can see how does a potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. Children, when stored energy begins to move, the objects transfer potential energy into kinetic energy. As you can see in this picture, the man standing still has a potential energy, but when it walk or run, it get changes into kinetic energy. In this picture also you can see how does potential energy transform into kinetic energy. The girl holding a ball standing on height has potential energy, but when she throw the ball, it falls down and the potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. Children, sun is the ultimate source of energy, and it gives us energy in form of light and heat. Light energy is used by the plants to prepare food, and heat energy is used to dry clothes. Solar heaters absorb the energy of the sun and provide heat for cooking. Nowadays, we are using different solar equipments in our daily life. Children, this is a picture of solar panel which converts solar energy in electrical energy that are used to do different kinds of work. Children, next is geothermal energy. Geo means earth and therm means heat. It means the energy inside the earth is known as geothermal energy, and it is used for many purposes. It also uses for the production of electricity. Children, in this slide you can see the uses of geothermal energy like electricity production, heating purpose, home heating and cooling using geothermal pump. Children, in earlier classes you all had learned that moving air is called wind. Children, this moving wind has lot of energy, and this energy is used for many purposes like drawing water, electricity production and running windmills. This is renewable source of energy. Children, renewable means natural resources or source of energy that is not depleted by use. Solar energy, geothermal energy and wind energy are the source of renewable energy. Next is light energy. Children, the sun and the stars are the example of light energy. Children, this energy is very powerful, and beside that we get light energy from bulbs, candles and tube lights. Next form of energy is sound energy. And children, this sound is produced by the vibrations. Sound needs a medium to travel. In space, you cannot hear sound because there is no medium. Children, sound energy is produced by musical instruments, TV, radio and music system. Now let us learn about law of conservation of energy. Children, according to this law, energy cannot be created or destroyed. It just changes from one form to another form. Here you can see few examples how can energy get converted from one form to another. This is a slide that shows chemical energy get converted in mechanical energy. Petrol is a form of chemical energy, but when this petrol is filled in the car, it changes into mechanical energy. This picture shows how does potential energy get changed in kinetic energy. Children, the boy sitting on the slide has potential energy, and when he moved down, this potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. Next picture shows that electrical energy changes into sound energy. Children, hope you all have understood the law of conservation of energy. Read this chapter carefully. Learn the spellings of difficult words. Thank you and have a good day.